Okay, so today we are working on problem 16 and 17. For problem 16, they're saying we want to find all six trig ratios when secant equals 4. So if you remember, secant is going to be that hypotenuse over the adjacent. So that means when we draw this out real quick, our hypotenuse is 4, our adjacent side is 1, and that'll be our angle. So we need to find out what b is. We're going to say the 1 squared plus the b squared equals 4 squared. So b squared is going to equal 16 minus 1. We'll square both sides, and we'll get b equals the square root of 15. So now when we put this in, the sign is our opposite side, so square root of 15 over our hypotenuse, which is 4. Cosine is going to be the adjacent side over our hypotenuse, so 1/4. Tangent is going to be the opposite side over the adjacent, so square root of 15. Cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite, so we'll have 4 root 15. Secant we said was 4. Cotangent will be 1 over the square root of 15. And those are our 6 answers. For problem 17, we are just going to first subtract that 2 over. So we'll have 3a squared plus 8a minus 3 equals 0. We're going to factor this. So we'll have 3a, not plus 1, 3a minus 1, and a plus 3. So our two answers, a can either equal 1/3 or a can equal -3. And for problem 18, that is something that you're going to fill out yourself. If you have any questions on this, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.